All right, this is Ubaid on behalf of Electronics, and in this video, we'll be looking at functions. Okay, so a function is basically when every x value has only one y value, okay, on the graph. Okay, so this is what a function looks like. So f at x equals x squared plus 2, for example, equals x cubed. All right, and if x, okay, is basically x plus h. Okay, so let's say given the function, okay, x plus h, okay, find f at x plus h. So x plus h, all right, so here you will sub in the value. So this will be fx plus h equals x plus h cubed. All right, so this will be x plus h into x plus h into x plus h. All right, so now what you want to do is solve for the first two, starting with the first two over here. So x squared, okay, plus xh. This will be xh, okay, plus hx, okay, plus h squared, okay. This will be into x plus h. All right, so in order for you to solve for whatever is inside the bracket, okay, you will need to solve the like terms. So x squared plus xh and hx is basically the same calculation. Okay, so if you sub in the values for x and h and x, okay, you will get the same result. All right, so one multiplied by the other, okay, the second number multiplied by the first. Okay, so this will be 2xh plus h squared into x plus h. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to multiply whatever's inside the bracket, okay, with the, okay, stuff that is outside the bracket, okay. So let's say, for example, you have x squared into x. This is x cubed. All right, plus this will be 2x squared h, okay, plus, okay, this will be h squared x. Okay, so h squared x. Okay, um, plus, okay, notice there's a positive sign over here. Okay, plus, so x squared h. All right, plus, okay, 2x squared. Okay, plus, okay, h cubed. All right, so you can simplify this further. So you have x cubed 2x squared h. Okay, so x squared h, this will be x squared h, so this becomes 3x squared h. All right, so this is x cubed plus 3x squared h. All right, so x squared h plus 2x8 squared plus 1x8 squared. So this will be 3, okay, x8 squared, okay, plus x cubed, okay, h cubed, excuse me. Okay, so this is basically how you solve for, okay, function of x equals x cubed. Let's take another example. All right, so here you have a function, okay, and you're supposed to use the function to figure out the value of a vehicle. Okay, so the value of a new car in dollars is given by a function v at t equals negative 1800 into t plus 22,000. So v at t, okay, our function of t equals negative 1800 into t plus 22,000. Okay, now right off the bat, you know that this value over here, this is your base value, okay, which will not change, which means this is possibly the retail value of the new vehicle. All right, so this will be v at t equals negative 1800 into 4. Okay, we need to figure out the value of the vehicle, okay, after 4 years. Okay, so let's say negative 1800 into 4 plus 22,000. Okay, value of a new car. So this will be 1800 into 4, okay, plus 22,000, okay, 14,800. All right, so this will be $14,800. Okay, so this is basically how you solve for the value of the car after a certain number of years. Okay, what was the value of the car when it was new? It was $22,000. Okay, further down, the monthly income in dollars of a commissioned car salesperson is given by the function, okay, I at n equals 350 into n plus 1450. So this is possibly his base salary. Okay, and this has to do with his commission. Okay, so regardless of how many vehicles he sells, he'll still make 1450 every month. Okay, so L at n equals 350 into n plus, okay, $1,450. Okay, so $1,450. So I at n, so let's say we have 3 vehicles over here, so 350 into 3 plus 1450, okay, which means your I at n, this will be 350 into 3 plus 1450. All right. So that will be $2,500. Okay. So again, this is the base salary. Okay, possibly for advertising. Okay, and this will be the commission. All right. So if he does sell 3 cars every month, he makes $2,500. Okay, so $2,500 every month. Okay, if he wants to sell 5 cars each month, okay, it will be 350 into 5 plus 1450, $3,200. All right, so this is basically how you solve for functions. Okay, on behalf of V Electronics, this is Ubay. Have yourself a great day.